How to withdraw Lazada coins. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Lazada coins. First, open the Lazada app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on the account option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for and tap on the MYR option. This is where you can manage your Lazada coins, vouchers, and other rewards. From here, you will see an option to convert your Lazada coins into gcash, which is effectively how you withdraw them. Then, you will need to enter the mobile number linked to your gcash account. Lazada will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code to complete the process. After verifying the code, your Lazada coins will be converted to cash in your gcash account, effectively completing the withdrawal. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.